Good morning, first graders. It's Miss Loftman with Foundations today. This is our I can statement for our lesson. It says, I can read and spell CVC words, and I can spell trick words. So today we are going to continue reading and spelling CVC words, and we're going to learn some new trick words. So let's start by doing our sound cards. Do them with me. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, O. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, queen, qu. R, rat, S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. And Z, zebra, z. All right, by now you guys are professionals at that, I'm sure. We're going to practice our vowel sounds. So do this with me. A, apple, A. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. And U, up, ah. Great job. Okay, so today we are going to practice some new trick words. So here are some sentences, and we see that the first one has a tall capital letter, and it's a telling sentence, so it ends in a period. And we're going to read some words that can be easily sounded out, and we're going to learn some new trick words. All right, so TH says th. So this word is that is his ball. That is his ball. I'm going to talk about a couple trick words in this sentence, and one of them is the word his. When I say his, it sounds like there's a Z at the end of the word his, but it's really an S. So that's tricky. They are trying to trick us with that word. So we just have to memorize that the word his is spelled H-I-S and not H-I-Z. I see another word in that sentence that looks a lot like the word his. Actually, it has part of the word his in it. Do you see that? If you do, give me a thumbs up. Where's that other trick word? All right, if you said the word is, you're right. Because look, is inside the word his, and they rhyme. So is sounds like it has a Z at the end, and so does his. So those are two of the trick words that we are going to practice today. That is his ball. And look, our picture matches our sentence. All right. When we scoop the sentence, we would say that is his ball. All right, here's another sentence, and we're going to find a new trick word in this sentence. Again, we have a capital letter starting our sentence, and it's a telling sentence, so it ends in a period. And my dog wants to play. In this, here is mom, our first word, mom. And it says, Mom had a sip of water. Mom had a sip of water. I see a trick word we practiced the other day, boys and girls. Do you see the trick word we practiced the other day? It sounds like a U, but it's really not a U. If you thought it was this one, you were right. A sounds like a. Mom had a sip of water. Okay, the other trick word we are going to talk about is this one right here. Because when I say the word of, what does it sound like? Of. When I say of, I hear a U and a V, but is that the way we spell of? No, we spell of, O-F. So that is another trick word. And if we scoop that sentence, we would say, Mom had a sip of water. All right, so the 3 trick words that we are going to practice today, let me move this, are the words of, his, and is. So go ahead and get your dry erase board or something to write with. Hopefully you can practice these with me on your board. We are going to practice writing the trick word of. Again, it sounds like a U, V, but we know that of is spelled O and then an F. O-F, of. O-F, of. I'd like a piece of pizza. Of, O-F, of. O-F, of. And if you look at the word of has a plain line letter, that's your O, and then there's a tall skyline letter, that is your F. F is a skyline letter. So hopefully you are writing your word of with a plain line and a skyline letter. All right, now we're going to practice the next trick word for today, which is the word his. All right, so his is spelled H-I-S. So write his, H-I-S, his, H-I-S, his, H-I-S, his. I like his shoes. I like his book bag. His, H-I-S, his. And after you practice writing the word his, we're going to erase. And this one should be really easy because we just practiced writing his. So your next word was in the word his. It's the word is. So now we're going to practice writing the word is. Okay, we're going to say I-S is. I-S is. I-S is. So practice writing the word is. And both the I and the S, those are plain line letters. So they're the same size. Is. It is a beautiful day. Is. He is my friend. All right. After you practice writing the words, the trick words for today, hopefully you have your octopus book. If you don't, grab your octopus book, and we are going to turn to the back of our octopus book, way in the back of your book where we have trick words in the back. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find where H words would go. So in the back of your trick word section in the back of the octopus book, find your H spots. And when you find that, you're going to write the word his under the H. One of the H spots. You're going to write his, H-I-S. And then right near the H's, you're going to see spots for I words. So where you see the I spot, you're going to write the word is, I-S. And then you're going to turn a page probably and find the section that has the O words in the back of your octopus book, and you're going to write the word of, O-F. Those words will be written in your octopus book, so you'll have those whenever you need to remember how to write those trick words. Okay, and when you're finished writing those trick words in your octopus book, I will show you what you are going to work on today for foundations. So in your Unit 2 packet, you have a page that it's towards the back of your book, but it looks like this. And on this page, at the very top, well, here, let me make this bigger so hopefully you can see this clearer. All right. Okay, so on this page, you will see the trick words that we have been practicing. You'll see a little box that says is, his, of, and the. Those are the trick words we practiced. And so you are going to use those words to fill in the missing words in the sentences. And after you fill it in, like let's do the first one together. The red top is blank. So you'd say, what makes sense? The red top is, the red top is his, the red top is of, the red top is and, or the red top is the. Which one makes sense? Well, in that sentence, the red top is his would make sense. So we're going to write his on the first line, and then you're going to find the picture that matches that sentence. So I see a top right here. You're going to draw a line from the sentence to the picture of the top. Then you're going to read the next one, and you're going to figure out what goes in the blank, and you're going to draw a line to the picture that matches. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is on the back of that page, you will see sentences. Okay, so the directions say read each sentence and find the matching picture and write the number in the box. So, for example, let's do the first one together. The first one says, the man is on the bus. Okay, so the man is on the bus. I'm going to look down here at my pictures and I'm going to find a man on the bus. Okay, I see a man on the bus here. So since that is picture number 2, I'm going to write a number 2 right here because that picture matches this sentence. And then you're going to do the same thing with those sentences, finding the pictures that match. Boys and girls, my dogs are wanting to go outside. And when you finish those 2 pages today, you're going to take a picture and send those to your teacher or show your teacher if you're in class. All right. Have a great day, everybody.